Right now, while you are watching this video, someone with no degree, no office job, and no rich family is making money using AI. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. And if you are still sleeping on this, I need you to hear me clearly today. AI is the new gold mine, and the mine is wide open. Anyone can walk in. Let me be honest with you. The world is changing faster than most people are ready for. Over 1 million people now uses AI tools every single month. That's not a small group of tech people anymore. That is everyday people. Teachers, traders, mothers, students are using AI to create content, run businesses, and make money. The generative AI market is expected to hit $91.57 billion in 2026. That's almost 100 billion flowing through this space. And most people watching this video aren't taking a single step toward getting any of it. The question is, why not? Because you think it's complicated. Because you think it's not for someone like you. Let me show you why that thinking is costing you money. Yes, AI is replacing people. Let me not sugarcoat it. Copywriters, graphic designers, video editors, customer service representative, even some marketers. AI is doing their work faster, cheaper, and that is real. But here is the thing nobody tells you. Every gold rush creates two types of people. Those who dig the gold and those who sells the shovels. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's creating entirely new income streams that didn't exist 3 years back. And the people winning right now aren't the ones fighting AI. They are the ones working with it. AI tools are helping individuals start online business, automate work, and generate income with minimal investments, from content creation to freelancing to digital marketing. You don't need coding skills. You don't need a university degree. You just need to start. Let me break this down practically. Here are real ways people are making money with AI right now in 2026. And I want you to listen carefully because at least one of these fits where you are today. Number one, AI content creations on YouTube. You can create videos like this one using AI tools to script, edit, and produce. A single channel in the right niche, posting 3 to 4 times a week using AI production, can qualify for YouTube monetization within 3 to 6 months. Tools like CapCut, Grok AI, 11 Labs make this possible for anyone. Number two, AI powered social media marketing. Businesses need content. Every single day, AI driven social media copy creation is already used by 52% of marketers. If you can learn to use AI to produce that content for businesses, you have a service people will pay you for monthly. Number three, selling digital products. AI tools have dramatically reduced the time required to create comprehensive training content, templates, planners, and digital resources that can be sold repeatedly with zero fulfillment costs. Create once, sell forever. Number 4, AI advertising and marketing services. This is huge. Google reported advertisers used AI to generate nearly 70 million creative assets in the late 2025 alone, and times 3 a year over year increases. Businesses are desperate for people who can help them advertise using AI. You can be that person. Number 5, teaching what you learn. Once you understand even one AI tool well, you can create a digital product, use an AI avatar to promote it, and drive traffic to a landing page, creating a scalable income stream where you are selling information once and get paid for it repeatedly. Now I know some of you are thinking, I am a nurse, I am a teacher, I drive a truck, I am a student with no money. That doesn't matter. Whatever your background is, AI gives you something to offer. Are you a nurse? You can create health content with AI, review it with your knowledge, and build a channel or consultancy that helps thousands of people. Are you a teacher? The e-learning market is enormous. The global e-learning industry is projected to exceed 400 million in 2026. And AI makes it possible to build courses with minimal upfront investments. Your classroom experience is value. AI is just the tool. Are you someone with absolutely zero experience? Even better, most AI tools today requires little to no coding knowledge, and AI content writing and social media management are among the easiest ways to start earning. The player field has never been more level, but it won't stay level forever. The people who move now will be the ones who are already earning by the time everyone else decides to start. You don't need to figure everything out at once. No. Here are simple starting points. Step 1, pick one thing: YouTube content, social media services, digital products, or advertising. Step 2, learn one AI tool that support that thing. Grok, Cloud, CapCut, ChatGPT. Pick one and go deep into it. Step 3, produce something. Don't wait until it's perfect. Your first piece of content doesn't need to be amazing. It just needs to exist. Step 4, stay consistent. The most successful AI income earners in 2026 are not the most technical gifted. They are the ones who started earliest and altered the fastest. That is that whole system, 4 steps. AI is not a trend, it's a phase. It is the new economy. And poverty is not a life sentence, it is a starting point that AI can genuinely help you move out of. If you are willing to learn and take actions, subscribe to this channel because I am going to walk you through exactly how to use these tools step by step. Real tutorials, real workflow, no fluff. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you do for a work right now, and I will tell you exactly how AI can help you build income around it. Let's get this money together. Hi, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content on how you can use AI to change your financial status in life. See you on the next one. Cheers.